So these are all the whistles I like on Frisco 1630. You're also going to see the whistles that I had back in the 2000s. But these are all the ones I like on Frisco 1630. Number 1. This Frisco 1630 has a cool kind of silver car, but this is the whistle. 2. This one is just doing its own trip here with not these silver coaches, but the regular green ones. And it's gonna kind of sound familiar to this other one that when I was there that you're gonna hear also. But this is the whistle when it's being moved out of its stored spot. Here it is. Number 3. This one here, it's A Day Out with Thomas. And this is cool. And I like the whistle. It sounds really cool actually on it. This is it. Here it is also. They're going to see it in this clip. And it's beginning to move, blowing its whistle so they know. And here begins. Number 4. When I was talking about the familiar whistle, now this is when I was there. See if it sounds kind of familiar, but from the first one, it kind of made it sound kind of different. But this is it. Number 5. Now this is back in the 2000s. I think it was 2004. But this is the whistle had as it was doing its trip at a very fast speed through the crossing. Here it is again. And you see it just started up its train and just blew its whistle, and now it's ringing its bell. But here it is if you want to see it back in 2004 and the 2000s. Number 6. This is when I was there when they had the Day Out with Thomas back in 2018. You can see it's ringing its bell, and the whistle sounds kind of different to the other ones I showed you, but does sound kind of cool. Here it is. Those are all my favorite whistles I like on Frisco 1630. I'll see you back on train videos that might be also tomorrow or a few days. Bye. Just for you to know, all these channels I showed you I subscribe to. So I just want to do that just for you to know, and I gave all these videos a like.